Something unthinkable is happening in Ohio right now. A state that gave Trump millions of votes is turning against him. And the numbers don't lie. Trump's approval rating in Ohio has crashed to just 40%. Over half the state now disapproves of him. We're talking about Ohio, a place that's been solid red territory for years. But here's where it gets really interesting. There's a governor's race coming in 2026. And the data shows something nobody saw coming. This could flip everything. The polling out of Ohio is absolutely wild. Trump is underwater. Governor Mike DeWine, the Republican currently running the state, sits at a dismal 32% approval. Ohio voters are fed up with their MAGA leadership, and they're not hiding it anymore. Protests are erupting in places like southeastern Ohio, areas that used to be Trump country. Cincinnati saw massive demonstrations. People are organizing across party lines, and the energy is unlike anything political analysts have seen in decades. Enter Dr. Amy Acton, the Democratic candidate for governor in Ohio. She's leading Republican Vivek Ramaswamy by double digits among independent voters. One poll shows her up by 19 points with independents. Another poll from the Ohio Federation of Teachers has Acton leading Ramaswamy 46 to 45 overall. Her net favorables are +4, while Ramaswamy sits at +1. But among those crucial independent voters in Ohio, Acton is at +21%. Ramaswamy is at -14%. This governor's race in Ohio isn't just about state politics anymore. It's become a referendum on Trump and everything MAGA represents. Dr. Amy Acton isn't your typical politician. She's a physician who served as Ohio's director of public health under Republican Governor DeWine. She grew up in Youngstown, faced homelessness, worked her way through medical school, and spent 40 years in public service. Ohio voters know her. They trust her. And Republicans are crossing over to support her campaign. The issues driving this shift are clear. Trump's tariffs have devastated Ohio farmers and manufacturing workers. Rural hospitals are closing. Healthcare costs are skyrocketing because Trump refuses to extend Affordable Care Act subsidies. Medicaid is being gutted. SNAP benefits were slashed. Ohioans are watching their quality of life decline while Trump and MAGA politicians like Vivek Ramaswamy claim everything is great. Ramaswamy has literally said Ohioans are struggling because they're lazy and mediocre. That messaging isn't landing well in Ohio. Dr. Amy Acton is running on affordability, healthcare access, education funding, and supporting working families in Ohio. She's talking about free breakfast and lunch in schools. She's addressing the housing crisis and rising property taxes. She's meeting with voters in every corner of the state, listening to their concerns about the Trump administration and Republican leadership. And those voters are responding. Recent elections in Virginia and New Jersey showed massive Democratic victories with independent voters shifting blue in traditionally red districts. Ohio Democrats believe they have their best chance in 20 years to make major gains. Acton is supported by 314 Action, the science-based political action committee that helped elect Mark Kelly. This Ohio governor's race is shaping up to be one of the most important contests of 2026. If Ohio flips blue and elects Dr. Amy Acton, it sends a message that Trump's grip on red states is breaking.